Hi and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the BMW 435D M Sport Coupe in Melbourne Red. The vehicle also has a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit alongside a set of the very nice 613 BMW M Performance alloy wheels that are in the high gloss black. It's a 2015 15 plate, so we've got the angel eye and xenon headlamps at the front of the car. The vehicle has been kept in a really great condition. Both the interior and exterior are in really nice condition, and that Melbourne red works very well with the full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit you'll see, as well as the 20-inch alloys. However, if you prefer something a little bit more shiny in terms of your alloys, we can of course offer a alloy wheel swap, which is something you can of course talk to our sales team about. And we'll discuss that further on in the video. In terms of the interior, it's got a beautiful Oyster Dakota leather with both the heated electric movement and memory for driver's side. And again, as I mentioned, all of the interior has been kept in great condition. We've got an 8-speed sports automatic gearbox alongside the xDrive four-wheel drive system. There you can see the rear seats look like they've barely ever been sat in. We've also got a darkened M Sport headlining, which works really well in contrast with that lighter leather colour. Before heading round to the rear, again showing you off those fantastic 613 M Performance high gloss alloys. We've opted to go for the high gloss rear spoiler on this vehicle and then toned it with the satin rear diffuser. If this is your first time looking at a 4 Series Coupe, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with how large the boot space is, and it also does come with split folding seats, which of course gives you that little bit more freedom in terms of larger items in your boot. Onto the driver's side, where again we can show off that this is a really clean and tidy example, despite it being of course a 2015 year car. It's covered just over 64,000 miles, and again you can see there on the side working really well, although those additions that we've added alongside its BMW alloy wheels. And we'll take a seat inside now and just walk yourselves through a couple of the interior features, beginning with the professional wide navigation and media screen. In terms of your multimedia, there's a great array of different inputs thanks to having that widescreen option. So we've got Bluetooth audio, USB inputs alongside an AUX input. We do also get the music collection. We have got DAB of course, as well as a really user-friendly system in terms of the sat nav, and there is also Bluetooth telephone. Going back to the main menu shortly, we'll head across and take a look at the service requirements and service history. We've also got heated seats in the front, as I mentioned, and as you can see there, the exact mileage is 64056. Cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on your multifunction M Sport steering wheel. And we'll head in now and take a look at the service history of this car. Everything is highlighted in green. 6,000 miles till next service. And in terms of service history, there is comprehensive full BMW service history with the vehicle. The last visit to BMW was at 63094, and that was for a brake fluid and a vehicle inspection, and the time before that was in fact for a full service including all filters, which is of course not only a great peace of mind, but is of course always a money saver, as it does mean the next service is just going to be for a very basic oil and oil filter change. So thank you for taking the time to watch one of our walk around videos. I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course found it useful. For prices and of course funding options on this wonderful car, please check out both of the links below for our website, or alternatively you can give us a call directly. Thank you very much, take care, bye bye.